Hello Ishan, how are you?
I'm fine. What a pleasant surprise.
Are you in office now?
Yes, I'm in office.
I'm right in Kappa, which is opposite to your main gate.
Oh, that is really great. I'm coming down.
Just drop in the cafe, I'm waiting for you. I just wanted to take a break from the hectic work schedule.
Same here. I started work last night, completing it now. Lots of work.
New iPhone?
Yeah,
It looks brand new. I need a party for it. Congrats, buddy.
thank you.
When did you buy it?
Actually, I did not buy it. It's the company's device.
New phone. That too free for you. Now you have to give a party to me. Now you cannot escape from me.
Why will I give party? I'm the user, not the owner. For instance, when I leave my company or when my project changes, I have to return it to the company.
I really envy your job. You techies are always enjoying in the office. The work environment is really cool.
Why? What is so special about my job? No. It's not the case. I'm just a normal guy working like any other professional.
Okay. Whatever you say, I still like your job. I would like to work.
But why? Why do you like my work so much?
You are always enjoying the working environment. You have the access to the latest gadgets and also you listen to music while working, which I can never do. I always see you active on Facebook and Twitter, which is very nice.
You are just seeing one side of the coin. You won't believe, but I too dream about being in your job, in your position.
Oh really? Okay, you first tell me. What is so fascinating?
Your working ambience is so nice. It's so clean and disciplined. Whenever I come and meet you, I feel like I'm visiting a temple. In addition, the people are so very soft spoken. Above all, I like the silent environment there.
Ishan, my friend, this is not the correct way to judge my profession. There are many other hidden things in it.
What do you mean?
You are just touching the tip of iceberg.
Okay, tell me what's beneath the iceberg.
We are daily dealing with humans, and every human is different. Unlike your machines and lifeless things.
Yes, that is true.
The rush of patients just increases my work hours and it eats my personal space. Emergency is 24/7 for us.
We also work 24/7. The global clients make us awake anytime.
Ishan, there is a world of difference between yours and ours 24/7.
How come?
We cannot treat patients from home virtually. We have to be physically present and look after the patient in the hospital.
Well, I agree. But how often do you face such situations? For us, it's almost daily.
Now I have to attack you.
Why?
You get the 24/7 free internet and access to the latest and costliest gadgets, the MacBook, and today iPhone, and tomorrow you will come with Apple Watch and whatnot.
Okay. You are looking at the superficial things only. You're so respected. People consider you God. You save lives. Especially, I have seen when people lose all their hopes, doctors are the only hope for them.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. But if a patient dies, we are considered the cause of it. They call us murderers.
That is really brutal. You're showing me the new face of your profession.
So now you accept the fact that you are at a better place than me.
See Rohan, I did my BTech and during the college days dreamt of joining big companies and do something great in the field of technology.
So you are at your dream place and work should not be a burden for you. You should enjoy it.
No Rohan, I'm in a support project.
What is that? Aren't it a calling job like all the people who are working in call centers?
No Rohan, support means that someone has already developed the project and I am into maintenance.
So your job is to keep the project healthy.
Yes, you can say that.
Why are you unhappy with it?
Most of the time, just filling long Excel sheets. No learning at all.
I do not agree that you are not learning. Yes, you are not inventing, but learning might be slow.
Yes, you might be correct.
Oh, then I should say 90% of the doctors should change their profession. We are doing the same job for what? You want to change your job. The maintenance. We are not developing anything new. We are just removing the bugs from the ongoing system. Your so-called maintenance is our treatment.
Can you explain a bit more?
See, Ishan, every doctor is not inventing a medicine, vaccine, and getting Nobel Prize. A person comes with fever, and I cannot say, oh, that is a common fever. I have nothing to learn from your common disease.
Yes, you are correct.
So now you agree that your job is better than mine.
No, I would still say that your job is better than mine, as you are the true messenger of God who's giving service to humanity and helping so many people. Tell you what, I'll give you the party for learning many new things about your job from you.
Thank you.